Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to automatically accept or decline meeting requests in Outlook for Windows. Outlook on Windows enables automatic acceptance or declination of meeting requests via built-in calendar settings ideal for delegates or high-volume users. With this option to handle conflicts and cancellation. To enable auto accept or decline, you will have to open Outlook on your computer. Click on File at the top left corner and then click on Options. Under Options, you will have to go and select Calendar. In the left pane, scroll to Automatic Accept or Decline section on the right hand side and click on Auto Accept Decline. Check these options as needed. If you want to automatically accept meeting requests and remove cancelled meetings, you may go and check this. As soon as you check this box, you would have an option to choose other two options for automatically decline meeting requests that conflict with an existing appointment or meeting. And if you want to select automatically decline recurring meeting request, you also have this option. If you want these options, you may go ahead and choose this. Once it is done, you may click on OK. Outlook will now process invites without prompt. This is how you can automatically accept or decline meeting requests in Outlook for Windows. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.